Guru, Vai, 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 Guru। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਮਨ ਇੱਕ ਚਿੱਤ ਧਿਆਇਆ, ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸਿਉ ਚਿਤ ਲਾਏ, ਤਿਨ ਕੀ ਦੁੱਖ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੋਮੈ ਵੱਡਾ ਰੋਗ ਗਿਆ, ਨਿਰਦੋਖ ਪਏ ਲਿਵ ਲਾਏ। It's all about where our mind is all the time. 24 hours when we start getting up from our bed, what is the first thought we take? ਪਹਿਲਾ ਫੁਰਨਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ? Whatever we start our day, wherever we start focusing our mind, that is how we are going to receive the fruit out of. We know inside our subtle body, there are doots also. There is Naam also, or Satguruji also. Now it depends on our mind where mind wants to focus. If the mind will focus on Satguruji, and if the mind will start focusing on the Shabad, Jina ik man ik chit ਧਿਆਇਆ, Satgur ਸਿਉ ਚਿਤ ਲਾਏ, then what will happen? ਤਿਨ ਕੀ ਦੁੱਖ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੋਮੇ ਵੱਡਾ ਰੋਗ ਗਿਆ. Then all the sorrows, all the pain, all the desires, all the egotistical thoughts. Maharaj always, whenever Maharaj talks about home or ego, Maharaj use the word rog, because home is considered as a disease. Home dirag rog hai taru phi ismaib. Inside our subtle body, there is a home as well as naam, the medicine of the naam. But Maharaj says, when we focus on the Satguruji, on the Shabad, and when we totally focus on, when we wake up, that's why it is very important. Guru Ramdas Sache Basha says, Gur Satgur ka jo sikh khaye, so palke uthar naam te. And the first thing what we should do when we wake up is start chanting. Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru. If you hear the Shabad, what should you should do? Immediately, because when you wake up immediately, there are not many thoughts. It all depends on you where you focus. And people who listen to the Shabad, jehde Shabad nu sunde hai, they know that Shabad is very loud at that time. So the first thing which we should do is, rather than thinking about I have to take a bath, I have to do this, I have to do that, what we should do is we should focus on the Shabad. Shabad te dhyan dena. We have to focus on the Shabad. Start focusing on the Shabad. And Maharaj says, if you will do that, you will not have any dukh, pukh, anything. Your home will go away. And make sure you don't sit on the bed. You make sure you are not lying on the bed. You sit on a chair or something. There should be a chair in your room itself. Just get up from your bed, sit on the chair, and start listening to the Shabad. Shabad nu sunna shuru kar de usse time te. And after some time, then get up, then take a bath, then do other things, and then come to the Sachi Sangat and start chanting. If we'll make a routine like that, महाराज says गुर सतगुर का जो सिख खाए सो भल के उठ हर नाम ध्याए. ध्याय means focus on the naam. When we focus our mind like that, our mind will not have any ego. And if you don't listen to the Shabad, that's fine. That's totally fine. Then start chanting, start doing Simran, Saas Gira Simran. Jo Saas Gira Satyai Mera Har Har, so Gur Sikh Guru Man Pave. Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha Shabad. There is a story associated with it, and we have discussed about that story, a Sakhi of Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha. At the Amrit Vela, some Gursikhs they decided to visit to Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha for whatever question, spiritual question they had. When they went there at the Amrit Vela, the Sevadar out them there said, "You sit here. Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is doing Saas Gras Simran right now." They sat there and they also outside started doing Saas Gras Simran. And Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha was doing out very loud Saas Gira Simran, very loud. Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, very loud Saas Gira Simran. And when after a couple of hours, when the Simran was done, those Gursikhs, they enjoyed a lot. They were in total bliss. They went inside and they asked this question to Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha. They said, Guru Sahib, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਤਿੰਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ तीन लोक means आकाश लोक भूम लोक and पताल लोक ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਵਾਰਿਸ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ you are the creator, you are the sustainer, you are the Satguru of all these three worlds. How come you have to do the chanting? Then Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha told them, and that Shabad is in the Gurbani, Kaam Krodh Nagar mein sabla nit uth uth juj karije. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ that calm and krodh, that lust and anger is in everybody. First thing what we have to do is we have to make sure that we don't stuck in that. But what we do first thing we want to take a bath right away. We want to do that, and what happens when you do that? Immediately there are so many thoughts. Guru ਪਿਆਰੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਪਹਿਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਤੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ. But we start getting busy because we give more importance to our physical body than anything else. The importance should be given to the mind. We have to clean our mind. Mahalla Chautha. Now Maharaj here is giving an example of both kind of people. The one who put the dhyan in the Satguru when they get up. First thing, that's what they do. The one who start getting the dhyan. I have friends, they said, well, first thing which we do is, because we are in the West Coast, when we wake up, the stock market is on. So they start looking at the stocks, whether the stock went up or down. So it depends on you, right? You have free will. That's where the free will comes in, where you want to put the dhyan on. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇਣਾ? ਉੱਠਦਿਆਂ ਸਾਰ you want to start doing the business, start looking into all other affairs, and you will receive the phal, you will receive the fruit based on that. Mahalla Chautha, ਇੱਕ ਮਨ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਤਦਾ ਜਿੱਤ ਲੱਗੈ ਸੋ ਥਾਂ ਪਾਏ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿਓਗੇ, wherever you will focus, you will receive that place. You want to put the dhyan on the patal lok, on the tamogun, in the lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego, you will receive the fruit based on that. You will find the place based on that. Thai means place. Meaning, let's talk about the last moment. When we have a last moment of this physical body, and if we are focusing on the tamoguni stuff, the five doots, then we will get the June of Patal Lok, Tamoguni June. Maybe under the water, maybe under the ground, insects, fishes, some other sea beings. But if we focus, if our man, here Maharaj is putting ਔਂਕੜ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਨ, your mind, my mind, meaning if my mind is focused on the tamoguni stuff, I will get that. If my mind is focused on the Akash Lok, on Vaiguruji's Jyot, on Satguruji's, on the Shabad, then I will find a place from where I am, from where we all are, from where we are from where Vaiguruji is from where Satguruji is, where Sachkhand is there. Sachkhand vasai Nirankar. Our mind is also part of the Nirankar. That's a place. ਇੱਕ ਮਨ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਤਦਾ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਵਰਤੇਗਾ ਮਨ, meaning wherever the mind will go. One focused mind. ਜਿਤ ਲੱਗੈ ਸੋ ਥਾਏ ਪਾਏ. Now another thing, people talk about manifestations. They say you manifest something, you keep on knocking a door at some place, you will get it. You want to be a millionaire in this physical world, keep on thinking the first thing in the day, keep on knocking the door, I want to be a millionaire, I want to be a millionaire, I want to be a millionaire. You will become millionaire. You want Naam, keep on focusing, I want to meet Vaheguru, and start focusing on the Shabad. You will receive Naam, you will meet Vaheguru. It all depends on the mind, where the mind wants to go. ਇੱਕ ਮਨ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਤਦਾ, ਜਿਤ ਲੱਗੈ ਸੋ ਥਾਏ ਪਾਏ. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ ਕਨੇਰੀਆਂ, ਜੇ ਘਰ ਵੱਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਈ ਖਾਏ. ਸਾਈ ਖਾਏ. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ ਕਨੇਰੀਆਂ. Some people only talk. ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ ਮਾਲਕ ਨੂੰ. A lot of people, they will say, you'll meet so many people, they will say, oh, I want to meet Vaheguru, I want to do Simran, I want to do that, but I don't get the time. I'm busy with the worldly affairs. I want to do it, but I can't do it. Maharaj says, jine marji gallan kari jao, you will not get it. Because again, whatever is in your mind, you will get it. Wherever your mind will focus, there are two things. E man karma, e man dharma, e man panch tat ka janma. There are two things. E man shakti, e man siyo, e man panch tat ka jiyo. There are two things. One is Shakti and one is Shiv. One is Karam, one is Taram. Taram, Shiv means Vaheguru, Satguruji. And Shakti is Maya. It's both of these things are in our house, in our car, in our Dehi. Which Dehi? Sukham Dehi. Subtle body. Now it all depends on us where we want to put the focus. Galla jini marji kari jao, and you keep on focusing on the physical world. You keep on focusing on the physical world and start talking about, I want to meet Vaheguru, I want Naam, mainu Naam chahiye. नहीं मिलेगा गुरु प्यारो, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. जिन्नी नाम ते आया गए मशक्कत काल, नानक ते मुख उजले केती छुट्टी नाल. The liberation will come only if we will be serious about it. It will come in sachi sangat. बिन सतगुर सोजी ना पवे, अहंकार ना विचों जाए. If your mind is not connected with Satguruji, Satguruji's Gurbani, Satguruji's Naam, Gurbani Guru, Gurbani kahe sevak jan manne, if will not do what Gurbani is telling us to do, thankar nahi jana manda. The false pride will not go away, the ego will not go away. ਹੋਮੇ ਤੇ ਜਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ. ਅਹੰਕਾਰ ਨਾ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਾਏ. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ ਕਨੇਰੀਆਂ. You may talk a lot of things. I want to do this, I want to do that. But we are not taking the wisdom of Gurbani. Recently, I'm meeting people. They say, oh, they just want to do Simran. Guru Pyaro, there are 1430 angs of Gurbani. 1430 ang ne. Maharaj told us, you have to connect with the Gurbani Gyan. You have to, little by little, थोड़ा थोड़ा रोज उन्ना ही जिन्ना सानू समझ आ जाए. But do with love. Same technique for Gurbani, same technique for Naam. Kali nahi kapani. It's not a formality. You know, even doctors, if you go to a doctor, they will tell you when you eat food, whatever you are eating, chew it properly, eat it slowly, and then you can digest it. Otherwise, you will not be able to digest it. If you will do overeating, ज़्यादा खाओगे, तो तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी. You will get sick. Similarly, Gyan also, you have to chew it. That's why Maharaj has used the word giras. जो सास गिरास त्याए मेरा हर हर. With every breath when we take, slowly, 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 ਉਹਦੀ ਗਰਾਈ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸਵਾਸਾਂ ਦੀ, ਹੈ ਨਾ? We make a bite of the swas. We remember Vaheguru with every bite, with every swas. And then what happens? Then you enjoy. That's why when we say Va, tummy in, meaning stop there, pause, pause, hold your breath there. Va, hold your breath. But when we say Va, we are taking so many breaths. We are not holding our breath. मन नहीं टिकेगा, मन इधर उधर जाएगा. That's why we have to read the Gurbani. We have to listen to Gurbani Guru. Maharaj says, "Jo saas giras te aaye mera har har." That's why saas giras Simran is very important. Bin Satgur soji na pave. We have to listen to Satguru ji. Ahankar na vichon jaye. Apni marji karange. If we'll do whatever we want to, if we'll use our wisdom, then we will have ahankar. We will have ego. क्योंकि ਅਸੀਂ अपनी मत यूज कर रहे हैं. Doctor has given us a medicine. We don't want to listen to doctor, but we want to use our wisdom. मेरा वैद गुरु गोबिंदा. हर हर नाम औखद मुख देवै, टूटे जम की काटे जम की फंदा. हर हर नाम औखद. What is औखद? औखद is medicine. The medicine of har har naam. Mukh deva. You have to chant from your mouth. Kate jamki fanda. Then these vices, these thieves will go away. Then only our dhyan will be in the Shabad. Otherwise, there will be a lot of ahankar, lot of ego. ਅਹੰਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੈ, ਹੱਥ ਤੱਡੇ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਮੰਗਾਏ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ the egotistical people, the ahankariya, they have ahankar of the ego of their money, but their dukh still don't go away. They beg from everybody, meaning by hook and crook they want to cheat people, they want to steal from people. They have a lot of pain. They will never be in peace. The hunger of desires. I want to do this, I want to do that. Hankar de vich, in the ego. You know, you'll meet people. Nahi ji, assi te gareeb haan ji. We are very poor. They have a lot of money. They are not in Shukrana. We should be thankful to Vaheguru ji. Whatever we have, we should be saying, thank you, Vaheguru ji, for this breath. Thank you, Vaheguru ji, for the food you have given us. We should be always thankful. ਅਹੰਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੈ, ਹੱਥ ਤੱਡੇ. They will hold their hands and ask for everything, even if they have. You know, that's what is happening. In the Western world, people have everything. They still tell the governments, we don't have anything. And what they do, they will say, we don't have money. They will not pay their taxes. They will get food stamps. They will have everything. They'll go to the grocery store and do the free grocery and all, and their businesses are running in the back. Wisdom of Gurbani tells us kirt di kamai, dharam di kamai. You have to be honest. Our character has to be, we should be working honestly. Whether we work, whether we study, whether we play games, we have to be honest. If we are doing bhakti, if we are doing kirtan, we have to be humble. Ahankar nahi aana chahiye. That proud should not be there. The false proud, that ego should not be there. Oh, mainu bakiyan to zyada pata hai. Na, ਅਹੰਕਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਭੁੱਖ ਹੈ ਹੱਥ ਤੱਡੇ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਮੰਗਾਏ. They will go to every house. What does that mean? They are worse than the beggars. Worse than the beggars. We have to beg only from Satguru ji. Satguru ji ਅੱਗੇ ਮੰਗਣਾ, ਉਹ ਦਾਤਾ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਲਾ. But we have other things in our mind. ਕੂੜ ਠੱਗੀ ਗੁੱਜੀ ਨਾ ਰਹੇ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ one day whatever falsehood they do, it will not remain secret. People will know that they were cheating, they were stealing. कूड़ ठगी गुज्जी ना रहे, मुलम्मा पाज ले जाए. Mulamma Paj meaning their cood, their falsehood will be revealed with everybody. Mulamma Paj. Remember this word, Mulamma Paj. Whatever they showed to the people that they didn't have money or whatever, their falsehood will be revealed to everybody. It will not remain secret. They were showing something else, but they were doing something else. And their falsehood will appear with everybody. Because ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੂੜ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਲੁਕੋ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦਾ. The falsehood cannot be, maybe for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, people will hide something, but it will show up. ਜਿਸ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੂਰਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ. Whenever you hear this word, ਜਿਸ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੂਰਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ, Maharaj is talking about, there are two things which comes with us. There's something called chiri, a letter. The letter is sent to us when we are in the mother's womb. It's on our forehead. पूरब होए लिखिया हर सिमर प्राणी. मस्तक होए लिखिया, sorry value. मस्तक होए लिखिया हर सिमर प्राणी. It's written. It's written on our forehead that we have to chant. We have to meet Vaheguru, but we forget that letter. There are other things also which are written there. We all forget. Our previous karams are also written there. Remember, we talked about the Sanchit karams and Pralad karams. Pralad karams are the karams which we have to use. Those karams, it's kind of a money which has given to us, that which we have to use in this lifetime. That's also written. But we forget. Naam is written there. We get disconnected with the Naam, with the Shabad. Liv chudki lagi Trishna, Maya Amar Vartaya. When we are in the mother's womb, we are connected with the Naam. When we come out of the mother's womb, we get disconnected. But when somebody remember that what was the purpose of life, मस्तक होए लिखिया हर सिमर प्राणी. जिस होवे पूरब लिखिया तिस सतगुर मिले प्रभ आए. Then you will meet Vaheguru if you'll remember that. That's why Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, my kids, my Sikhs have forgotten. They said, at least, when you enter a border, when you enter a country, you need to show a visa. If you have forgotten that visa, the letter, if you have lost that letter, your chiri, then you will be arrested or they will not let you enter. But sometimes they make you a temporary permit, a temporary visa. That Guru Mantar is a temporary visa. If we will get that temporary visa, if we'll jap naam, then these doots will not catch us. These ICE agents will not catch us because we have a paperwork, Guru Mantar, which Guru Nanak Dev Ji has given us. Because Guru Nanak is Har Dargah ka Basit. He is an immigration lawyer. He will tell us how to move in this country. Country as in this world, this body. How to prevent our mind from these doots. And when we will do that, then nobody can torture us or touch us. जो लोहा पारस भेटी है मिल संगत सुवरण होए जाए. And even if you don't have a paperwork, Maharaj is giving an example of a paras. Paras is a mystical metal. If you connect iron or any other metal with the paras, it becomes a sona. It becomes a gold. Similarly, the mind which is filled with the filth, with the gand, when it connects with the paras, as in the Sachi Sangat, Sant Jana Mil Har Jas Gayo, कोट जन्म के दुख गवायो. जो लोहा पारस भेटिए मिल संगत सो वर्ण होए जाए. Just like a metal, an iron is touched with the paras, that mystical stone, it becomes a gold. Similarly, our mind, when it comes to the Sachi Sangat and Jap Naam, mind also is like a gold. So that's a way how to remove our filth, how to remove our karams, bad karams. Jan Nanak ke prabh tu tani. Jo pave teve chalai. Then we will come in his hukam. Then we will understand that hukam which is inside us. Then we will understand that naam. Hukme andar sabko, bahar hukam na koi. Nanak hukme je bujhe, ta hu main kahe na koi. Jo Nanak, Jan Nanak ke prabh tu tani. Because our master Vaheguru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he is Tani. When we will connect with him, when we will listen to him, when we listen to the Gurbani Guru, he will be pleased and he will lead us. He will give us the naam. He will help us getting back that chiri which we have forgotten. Paudi jin har hirde sevya. That's why saas gira simran, saas अंतर्गत सिमरन. फिर अंतर्गत सिमरन करना होता है. जिन हर हृदय सेव्या, मीनिंग अंतर्गत सिमरन, in the heart. Vaheguru, 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 inside. When we are chanting with our mind, जिन हर हृदय सेव्या, that's a seva which we have to do. तिन हर आप मिलाए, and Maharaj will be pragat. Maharaj will make sure we meet him. He will come. अपने आप ही सारा कुछ हो जाना है. फिर जुगती दी किसी लोड नहीं. No jukti is required. First, Sasgira Simran, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru, Sas, Antargat Simran. And when we do Antargat Simran, everything will be silent. Mind will stop wandering. Then Vaheguru will be pragat. Shabad will be pragat. You will listen to the Sahaj Tun. You will see the light. जिन हर हृदय सेव्या, हृदय तो सेवा करनी पैनी. That's a सेवा which we have to do. जिन हर हृदय सेव्या, तिन हर आप मिलाए. गुण की सांझ तिन स्यों करी, सब अवगण शब्द जलाए. Shabad is the most important thing. First, Gur Shabad. Gur Shabad is Gurbani. 14 and 30 angs of Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Gur Mantar is also called Gur Shabad. Gur Shabad is which is coming from the mouth of Guru. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਦੇ ਮੁਖੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਿਹਾ. First we have to connect with that. When we will connect with that, come in the ਸੱਚੀ ਸੰਗਤ, ਤੇ ਗੁਣਾ ਦੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਸਾਡੀ. ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ? ਸੱਚੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. ਸਾਂਝ means we will be in the company of the saints, holy saints. It's like a partnership. You know, when we do the business together, Maharaj says, if you want to do a partnership and a business together, do the business of Naam. Har ke naam ke vapari. Do the trading of Naam. Do the partnership of Naam. When we will do the partnership of Naam, come in the Sachi Sangat, then all the qualities of Satguruji will come in us. We will also become Nirpau. We will also become Nirvair. Our home will go away. Gun ki sanj tin syon kari. But Maharaj says, only do the partnership. Only do the partnership of those who have those guns, those Rabbi guns, those spiritual virtues, that spiritual wisdom, who are connected with Gurbani Guru. Gun ki saaj tin syo kari, sab avgan shabad jalaye. When we will connect with the Shabad, Shabad is Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji's Gurbani, Gur Shabad, and then that Shabad which is inside us. Through that Shabad, with that Shabad, all our avgans will be erased, will be burnt. Jalai, they will be burnt. Lust will go away, worries will go away, desires will go away. All these things will go away, they'll be burnt through the Shabad. Augan, Vikan, Palari, jis de so sache paye. You know, when you have a plantation, when you do a plantation of paddy, rice, the leftover stuff is called ਪਲਰੀ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਰਾਲੀ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ। Meaning, when you do Simran, there are still some bad virtues still are there, still organs are there. Yesterday also we discussed that. It doesn't go away right away. It takes time. But when we come in the Sachi Sangat, slowly and slowly those organs all will be, because remember, these doots which have been given to us by Vaheguru Ji, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪੰਜ ਚੋਰ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਗਲ ਸ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟ ਕੇ ਪੰਜ ਸਿਕਦਾਰ, ਭਗਤ ਜਨਾ ਕੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਹਾਰ. These even 5 thieves are made for your benefit, for our benefit. They will become our sevaks. Right now we are doing their seva. They have become the Sardar. They have become our boss. Whatever Krodh says to do, we do that. Whatever Kam says to do, we do that. Whatever Lobh, greed says us to do, we do that. Whatever these 5 doots are saying, we are doing that. But actually, mind was made a king and these doots were made the slaves. Sagal Srisht ke panch sikdar, Bhagat Jana ke pani har. So we have to become a Bhagat. Then this Palari, the remaining stuff also, they will be used for your benefit. And now it is proving right also. Now, you know, in Punjab, there is so much pollution. When they burn the parali, they say it is of no use, let's burn it. But now, some people are using that for good purposes. They are converting into an energy. They are using it for some good purposes. There are many, many benefits. You just search about that parali or palri in Punjab. There's so many. It's a leftover stuff. When you use those things, they will also be used for your good. These doots will help you. These doots will also help you. They'll become your sevaks. Augan Vikan Palari, jis de so sache paye. Only Pagats will understand that. When we'll become Pagat. Gurmukh Pagat jit Sahaj Tun upje. Who are the Pagats? Who listen to the Sahaj Tun. Who start seeing the Vaheguru. Who jap the Naam, who come to the Sachi Sangat. Balehari gur apne jin ogan mate gun pragati aaye. Kende, I am sacrificed to those. I am sacrificed to my Guru. Because my Guru, my Gurbani Guru has helped me removing the vices from my mind. Jin ogad mate gun pragati aaye. Kende gun pragat aage. Now I have those good qualities of Vaheguru inside my mind. So much kirpa my Guru has given to me. Gurbani Guru has done to me. Because I followed the Gurbani Guru. Vaddi vadayai vadde ki Gurmukh Allah. Kende jida ucharan karega, Vah Guru, Vah Guru. Kende they will have lot of greatness, glory. Because of Vaheguru. When we will chant his name, when we'll sing his praises. Jisno bakshe sift salah nanak paatshai paatshah. Aao ji, apan bhi koshish kariye. Let's try. Wah, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Wah Guru, वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु। गुरमुखों सेवा कर लो। वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु
वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु Waheguru, 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 Guru, Guru. अंतर्गत मन ही बोले, मन ही सुने। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। हमें अवगुण परे एक गुण नाही, अमृत चाट बिख बिख खाई, माया मोह परम पै भूलै, सुत दारा स्यो प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम पंथ सुनियो गुर संगत, तह मिलंजम त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरनाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो सरनाई। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।